number 64864.
Oh, you can probably clear up the lane of traffic.
Okay. Alright. I'll give you time to take over.
Hello everyone, what's going on? We are back today in the city. We're actually running as a civilian. I haven't run at, well, kind of. Kind of a civilian, kind of medical. So, we're going to be running medical calls probably tonight. But, it's alright, I just got a new Ram 3500, 6.7 Cummins, don't mind that, it sounds like a fucking 5.9, it's the only, audio file I could find for it, but nonetheless, I'm gonna get a turboed one, but nonetheless, for now, this is what we got. But, don't even have the Touchmaster Delta on it yet. It matches my 2500, which you guys have seen before the 16, but it's a 20, and it's a 3500. It's white, I like my white trucks, but, you know, so we're just chilling down here in mid Vespucci, or whatever, down next to Del Perro. I don't know what we're gonna get into tonight, I'm not gonna lie to you. So, as you notice, it's raining. We're getting water off the coast. There's a possible hurricane incoming in the next few days, so we're gonna see more and more rain over the next few days. But I've been running a lot of LEO, so I took a vacation day. We're just chilling it. So, we're going to see how this goes today. I'm not really sure what's all planned. I don't have too much planned. I never usually do when I run civilian, but hopefully we can get a video out of her today. But nonetheless, let's get into it. Also, guys, I did forget to mention, I think most of our radio towers are rebuilt now after we had, I don't know if it was a terrorist attack or what was going on. Somebody was fucking with our radio towers there the last couple of nights. But now, we just got them rebuilt and we're having a bad storm, so I don't know how radio reception is going to be, per se. But, I don't know. It should be pretty good in the city. We shouldn't have too much of an issue in the city, but I think if we venture up into the county, it's going to be a lot worse. But, you know, we'll see. I'm not sure how or what it's going to get into, so we'll see. Well, guys, there's someone driving on the beach down here, and I was just kind of sitting here. Oh, jeez, he's in a camper, too. If I wasn't in like a 9,000-pound Cummins right now, I'd go down there and check it out, but I'm not getting stuck, man, and I'm not getting out of my truck to get fucking soaked. Oh, really quick, guys, I need to make this known. Alright, I'm wearing just a mic, okay? Don't judge. There's no radio model, just let it be. But I wanted to make that known right now. Do you see that? That's why. Oh, there they are. I'm gonna go drive over there. I want to see what's going on. That's a sidewalk, damn. I hope they don't get stuck. So guys, I was listening. This thing does sound turboed. It's just really fucking quiet. Just for the record. Like I said, I know it's a 5.9, but I wish I could get a 6.7, but you know, the laws of GTA prevents me from having a 6.7, so we gotta make do. Usually I got a Duramax, but I want to change it up and get a Cummins for something else, you know. This thing is pretty good looking, though. So, I'm not going to complain.
We're going to have possible grounding incident.
Oh, shit. Alright, guys, we're making our way over to the beach. I just kind of sat around because I was watching that over there. It wasn't very interesting. I might have to put this sucker in four-wheel drive. Hopefully we don't sink into the sand here. I left some air out of my tires just in case I had to, like, you know, go onto the beach, which luckily I did. Hopefully I won't sink into the fucking ground over here. Oh, shit.
Jesus.
The fuck happened?
I want to take. Don't get down this west water and that's going after this.
RP1 to Alpha 14. Beavers, you're Stillwater, sir, aren't you? Oh, shit! Get my fucking truck bag a little further. Jesus Christ. Fucking... I cannot hear a word he's saying, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, get down to the beach right now. Get him back from the water, Christ. This fucking tide's coming in, bro.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
You still good?
I thought my boat would work.
Is that what that was? Holy.
There's a hurricane, man. You gotta.
Can you stand up and walk? Here, let's walk up to above where the water's coming in at. Let's walk up on this hill.
I thought the tape would work.
You guys, can you repeat that?
City or
I
tiny.
even double it.
We're gonna be able to get
Oh, we got it. Alright,
off the pier.
let's go above by that, like, tower over there. Let's go there.
Sounds good.
I would move your cars.
Yeah.
You better hope you ain't stuck, because I let air out of my fucking tires.
You gonna be a ride?
Oh, I'll walk you up there, come on.
What the hell?
We'll see. Actually, hey Trooper, you want to give this guy a ride up to the fucking one, like underneath the pier? We're not gonna be able to do much.
Good run.
We might want to move somewhere dry. Forgot my medical bag. So basically, guys, we're doing the same thing we do on duty, but we're just off duty. Usually I'm on duty as a cop. Oh, unfortunately, you can downgrade.
Again, I thought the glue would hold.
Alright. You thought what?
I thought the glue in the hole, man. It
You
said it
fucking
was
glued that
100%.
thing, dude?
And
Are you on
taped it.
fucking crack? Oh
I
my
taped
god.
it though.
Got it.
Jesus, alright.
You better get a fucking... I don't even know how you're gonna get that pulled out of the water.
I
was my
don't know myself.
boat.
I'd get a lifeguard. I'd get a lifeguard to pull that fucker out of the water, cause I'm
Yeah,
not
you know
doing
what, I'm
it.
Man, that-
They got shit
you
equipped
know,
for
you know,
this.
you need to protect yourselves. The hurricane's coming in.
I see that.
Your vehicle's not gonna float.
Yeah, but it can drive through almost anything, so...
Mine floated for approximately 5 seconds.
Oh man, I wish I could've saw that. What, Poker?
I said the vehicle floated for like 2 seconds.
5 seconds.
How you feeling, sir? You feeling good?
Cold. I don't know what you're supposed to feel like.
Well, I'd offer you a blanket, but I don't have one in my truck. Do you think you're gonna need to go to the hospital?
I don't think so.
How cold are you feeling?
Cold.
Like, you think hypothermia cold or not that cold?
Cold.
Well, do you think you're gonna want to go to a hospital?
Cold.
That's all you're gonna say is cold?
Get that dancing off.
Huh?
Get it off of me.
Honestly, Poker, Oceanside's right up the hill. If you want to just drive him up there, you can always do that. It's literally right up the fucking hill. Huh?
We can get a county bus.
No, I mean, Oceanside's right up the hill. You could literally drive him.
And lock
How you
myself
feeling?
at this point. You guys are gonna argue about.
I mean, I'm not arguing. Do you want to go to a hospital, sir?
No.
No, well then you need to sign this paperwork so I don't get sued.
Yeah, give me a ride. Give me. Oh!
Sir,
There's like a door on my
if you want to
finger.
go to a hospital, we can get you to a hospital.
Sir,
No, I don't.
sir, talk to me.
I don't need a hospital.
Alright, well can I get you to sign this
I
paper?
don't need a hospital.
Well, sign this paper.
Sign what?
Sign that saying that you're refusing treatment.
Hey, Trooper. I contact the local
Thank you.
lifeguard station, alert them about the RV and the water.
I put my hood up. I need to figure out a way to put my hood up. I'm surprised you didn't get stuck out here in this sand. Both of you.
You know, I was surprised myself, and that's when I'm like, oh, okay. I guess I don't know how I did it.
I was dropping air pressure in my tires as I watched this go down because I said they're gonna fucking need me out here. I was sitting over in that fucking parking lot over there, just dropping tire pressure, waiting for it, dude.
No need for dropping air pressure, man. Shit.
Yeah,
You
until
get
you
stuck,
sink
you get
right
stuck.
in this fucking
That's why
muddy
we have
sand.
fleet.
Yeah, great idea. What's happening, Charles? Alright, I'm going into my nice heated truck because it is fucking cold out. I think it's
Yeah,
like 60
that's why I
degrees.
got
Making me put my window
I'm getting out of here. OLRP was going to be clear and available. Alright guys, we're going to head back over to the parking lot and get some more air pressure in my fucking tires over here.
I'll be back there.
Oh.
Oh, Adam.
That's received. I'll be in now. Alright guys, I just got home and I just literally got called out to a taser deployment call. We all know how this goes. Stupid shit. I'm not gonna roll non-emergency because of the weather, but I'm not gonna roll for long lights and sirens, so I don't know, we'll see what the hell I do. Damn, the weather is getting bad out, man. They are hella full, man. It's already dark out, and it ain't even nighttime yet. It's loud, and it's crazy. I don't know. Why is there a freaking stoplight at a crosswalk? Alright, drive over that curve, that's what you want. Oh! Man, that bench is crazy. Weather's getting worse. What's up, guys? Oh, he's throwing up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Why is he
wants to get
puking?
back for me. Lots of alcohol.
Did you
Nice.
excuse me then?
How much did he have by chance?
See my gender. See my gender.
You know how much she had? Oh shit, I don't have gloves. Oh yeah, I do.
I wonder with rough 5 cans.
5 cans, you said? She must be like a lightweight. I was just making sure she's not gonna have alcohol poisoning or anything.
Yeah, I'll go double check what's inside the car, but just gonna...
Might want to just get her a medic out here to play it safe. Watch, she's like projectile vomiting. Where's she tased at?
What is it? 2 times chest area.
Shoulder and... I'll pop them out. This might pinch a little bit. I swear to God. Backing up before she goes up. Well, might just call her a medic unit to just take her to the hospital.
Let's get a medic, okay.
Well, if she's really drunk, I don't want her dying of alcohol poisoning. If she's drunk, they're gonna have to pump her stomach.
Yeah.
What's up, Poker?
I counted about 7 empty bottles of beer.
Just beer, nothing strong?
Clear. Now, let's see what's broken random ass gas in
Oh,
there.
there she goes.
And lots of beer cans. And they're still closed. And it's 7 open.
Well, you could take her in and just take her in until she... Well, I mean, she's going to jail. It's not like she's going to sleep it off. If you want to keep an eye on her, that's probably what I'd do. Just keep an eye on her. And if she gets worse, I'd definitely... Or take her back, get her blood and alcohol tested, and see how that goes.
I was going to say, can you at least just make sure you don't got alcohol poisoning?
Well, that's what I was saying. I don't really have anything to really check. So I was going to just call a medic. Oh! Oh, but I punched you in the face. I'm sorry, I pushed the wrong button. Or the wrong muscle. Oh, Jesus Christ. County IRP 1. Roll a county EMS unit 693. Possible alcohol poisoning. I'll just have her transported. They'll figure it out. I don't care.
Yeah, okay, so... Gotta replace my clothes and my car, because... Lower the smell in there.
That was like explosive vomit right there, buddy.
When did this Ep.4 hurricane going to be down?
Oh my God. What just happened to your car?
Which car? My car?
Yeah, it just got all fucked up.
It went through a lot.
Well, my head just took a minute to see that.
Yeah, no, it went through hell and back trying to chase her down.
Jesus.
What is it? She was telling newspaper bundles that, what is it, broke my window. It was just like, oh, okay,
Oh.
that's fine.
Damn.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna throw my bag in my truck.
Hold on, BS.
I'm actually gonna put my bag in the truck so it's not soaked. That would probably be a smart idea. Throw it in the passenger.
First one, so 15.
Damn, this weather's getting crazy, man. Yeah, hide in your car like a old bitch. Huh?
What do you want, faggot?
No, it's telling Pooger to hide in his car like a little bitch.
Listen.
Huh? Okay, that's inappropriate. I'm walking away. Yeah, that Taurus is definitely like fucked. There's no ifs, buts, or ands. That thing is fucked up.
Well, remember I did hit the gate.
I wasn't there for
Dumbass.
that.
There was so much room. So much room. And where does he go? He drives straight into the pole.
I didn't drive straight into the hole. No, that gate closed. I hit it and my vehicle is just a piece of shit. And not, is that gunshot or is that thunder?
That is thunder.
But yeah. So
Actually, wait.
That's
gunfire.
10-15. That's fire.
Have fun checking that out. You better get with him, Poker. You better get with him. Huh? Where's fucking... What's his name? Good, check this shit out. What's going on?
Yeah, all I can hear is fucking thunder.
I think that was gunshots, man.
Yeah.
Well, go find him out, mister.
Clapping of a cloud just thunder.
Hey, I'm just medical, my guy. That's not my job. I'm on a vacation day. Fuck all of you. I haven't had a vacation day in like a month and a half. I don't get time. I only have PTO. I don't get days off.
Did that medic take him yet?
They're probably here.
It's still in the back of your car.
Okay, let me get it.
Alright, relax. No! Ep.4, if you want to hit your car with a hammer, that'd probably look a lot better. What's up? You gotta shout.
What are you saying over my frequency?
I told him to hit his car with a hammer.
Up to
better be.
Yeah.
The car one for a two-door pink BMW.
Alright, are we leaving? Bro,
Yeah,
what
it's
is
gotta
all
be
of your
considered.
guys' problems? You guys are fucking assholes today. Jeez.
I didn't do anything. What did I do?
No, you guys fucking dumb nuts and asshole right here.
I see.
Huh?
Understandable.
I can't hear a thing. You gotta shout. It's too fucking loud.
I said the lieutenant colonel is copying.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Have you ever put that one in charge of state police? Good luck with it.
I don't want to. I'm a police officer, not a state trooper for a reason.
Yeah.
Why is that lady in a fucking bikini? Like, I get it's the beach, but god damn, it's a fucking hurricane. Why do you think nobody else is out here? I'll be a fucking whacker. I'll get right up on his asshole. Oh! Oh, he just lost power for a minute. Honestly, might head up to Oceanside and restock my bag, guys. I don't know. That might be what the next move might be. Maybe we'll just sit up at Oceanside for a little while. Wow, I'm not gonna get that fucking dude who ran that red light? Oh, wait, I thought it was a red light. I was like, you're not gonna get that dude?
You're running a red light.
I swear to God, that mother... God damn it, I knew he was gonna fucking do that. Motherfucker. God damn it, dude. You really gonna bust my balls?
You ran a red light.
I didn't... Alright, leave me alone. It was a yellow that turned into a red.
Yeah. Usually, with those lights, it's supposed to speed up before it turns red.
Well, I thought it was red because I looked up and it was red. I'm like, why'd that car run a red light? I'm like, this motherfucker ain't even gonna do that through car running a red light.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh my. Dude, I am loving this Cummins. This thing is fucking sexy and it's sweet. But this is gonna be the nice truck, man. I mean, I got the 5.3 and all, but this is like the nice truck. That thing's a 2017, I think. This is a 2020. This is newer. I like it better. And the 16's fucking a rusted out beater, so that's why it gets beaten on. Honestly, this would be the weekend to be running that fucking thing, because it's a beater. But, you know what? Might actually have to... Go, motherfucker! Might actually need it. Might come in handy, having a diesel with all the water we might be getting. What was that, bro? This fucking dude don't know how to drive. Jeez, man. Alright, guys, we didn't even make it in the damn hospital, and we're responding to a fall patient.
No.
Can you please repeat that? I don't know what the fuck he said. His radio's...
Not start that way.
That's received. Damn, man, this rain is something else, dude. Said let's call. I'm gonna say this is probably it. County OLRP ones I've seen. What the fuck? There's already a cop here. What's up?
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh, you punched me!
Oh. What happened?
Hello,
I flipped
Okay,
again!
you can leave. It's good. We don't need
Oh
you.
my god!
I don't need 80 people here.
Man, what hurts that?
Cal IRP one. Roll me a county medic 691. We're gonna need one.
Are you lose consciousness at all?
I slipped down the stairs!
Slid down the stairs. Alright. Did you hit your head, ma'am?
No!
Okay. What seems to be hurting you? You gotta...
I don't know my chest.
It's your medic muscle, Charles.
Don't lie.
I'm medic what?
Telling him what muscle to use. I got some bruising on her chest here. You can kind of see. Ma'am, I'm gonna push on this area lately. Yeah. I'm gonna push on this area lightly. Let me know if it hurts a lot, okay?
Push on it. Instead of it.
It hurts? Alright. Maybe she broke some ribs.
The only they salt.
Hey, how can I help?
I don't know. Are you medically inclined? Or certified?
Nope.
Then you probably won't be much help.
Do you have any medical history?
No!
Okay, so this is the first time you've fallen?
No!
When have you fallen in the past?
2 days ago.
Do you know where
You're gonna
you
get a
fell
C
few
collar
days?
on her neck. This is just gonna keep your neck
On
straight,
the
man.
cart.
Okay. Did you notice that bruising on your chest when you fell the other day?
No!
So, did you strike your head?
What? You all these damn questions?
Well, we're trying to better assist you. Did you lose consciousness?
Oh my god!
Man, do you remember the call? Or were you conscious the entire time?
Yes!
Well, I'm just making sure that you remember if you struck your head or not.
Well, but medic should be here any minute. We probably get her on a backboard. I don't want to move her until we get her on a backboard. I mean, I took her vitals. Vitals are looking pretty normal. Her BP and pulse are obviously elevated.
Yeah.
Like I said, she might have broken some ribs, honestly. I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I'm thinking with the perf one chest, the possibility there's internal.
Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking.
I'm not 100% sure. Man, do you hurt anywhere else besides your chest?
No!
Okay. So, no hospital internal.
Just transfer me to the hospital.
Oh, good. Medical
Get them over here. Get them up the stairs.
Alright. Let me go talk to him.
Alright, I'll stay with her for a minute. So what's your name, ma'am?
Shit. Sophia.
Savea. Is that what you said, ma'am?
Yeah.
Nope. Nice to meet you. I'm Mason. Yeah, just try not to move around too much. Do you have any family members, ma'am?
No.
Okay. So just you and just you?
Just transfer me. Oh my god, wait a kind of medic.
He's talking to the medics right now. OLRP 1 Alpha 14, are they gonna come get her?
Transfer me.
We're getting there, ma'am. We gotta make sure you're okay to
It
transport.
doesn't take that long to get them up there.
User left your channel.
Are they gonna grab her
You got-
with a backboard and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, I figured. Alright. Ma'am, these guys are gonna take over here that are coming up the steps, okay?
Yep.
Have a nice day. Well, that was fun. You need to get yourself a med bag, sir.
Oh, I have one.
Aw. Well, that works. That works. Hit your car with a hammer.
There ain't nothing wrong with it.
Yes, it's fucked up front. Alright, I don't know. Yeah, see, that's a lot better. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for coming. OLRP1's clear and available. Well, guys, I just screwed up. So this is, I better make this noon now. So we had a whole video, well I did, up in the county a couple of nights ago. We had a terrorist attack or something with all the radios, they shit the bed, but I was clearing out my drive for this video and wasn't thinking about it and deleted the whole fucking video, so before I was able to export it, so not my brightest move, but that really sucks. But I figured I'd better say something about it, because if I don't, it might not make sense, so now I'm really... I guess we're gonna go up to the PD. We're getting called out to another taser deployment, guys. Nothing too interesting. I don't even know anymore.
Alpha 17, just confirm I got medical now, correct?
Medical's attempting to locate.
I'm gonna be at the Wisconsin station, 732.
That's received by people. Well, I would have never found them. Nah, I don't give a 2, 3. Holy hell. Alright guys, well, I'm going to call it for today. Wasn't a super interesting patrol. I mean, we had some medical calls. Couldn't really do everything's kind of closed up right now because of the hurricane that's coming in. Everybody's like, getting ready for it, but we'll be back on as LEO probably pretty soon here, but wanted to take a day off. But guys, thank you all for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.